So Coinbase is now a publicly traded company. The Coinbase IPO, which really isn't an IPO, but we're going to call it an IPO. The Coinbase direct listing just happened, and I'm going to tell you guys what went down when the stock was released. And we're going to get started right now on the Black Financial Channel. So buckle up your seatbelt, hit the thumbs up button. We're going to get started right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. That's theblackfinancialchannel.com. Coinbase. Coinbase just released shares to the public this morning. Coinbase is the company that I mentioned to you that I would probably only be interested in owning Coinbase if it's definitely below the $400 range or even below the 350 range more specifically. Right now, Coinbase is trading about 381. So it shot up right as soon as it was released. I knew that was going to happen. I had no doubt that Coinbase was going to take off because there's a reason why they're doing the direct listing now as opposed to doing it at some other point in the year. The reason that Coinbase insiders want their shares to be listed in the public sphere is because there is so much euphoria around crypto. There's a ton of excitement around stocks. You've got the Redditors who will buy anything. Anything you offer, they will overpay for it. SPACs are insane right now, and so they are looking to use the direct listing as what is referred to as a liquidity event. A liquidity event is different from what an IPO is. An IPO is a fundraising event, whereas this is a liquidity event. Now, some people think that it's going to be a $1,000 stock. I don't think so. Because here's the deal. Right now, at a price point of about 381, Coinbase is worth almost $100 billion. So, in order for it to hit 1,000, it had to be worth $250 billion or something like that. That's a big number right now, particularly given that it would make it bigger than even the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq and everything else. So I don't really see that. But hey, anything's possible. By the way, if you can't see me, it's because you can't see me. It's because my face is not on screen. I just came back from the dentist. I'm a little bit numb, so I sound a little bit funny. But but it's okay. You can hear me. So, what are my thoughts on what's going on with the Coinbase IPO? Well, this is exactly what I thought was going to happen. If you'd asked me, what do you think is going to happen when the stock gets out in the public, I would have said, oh, it's going to pop. If you're an insider, if you're one of the people that was able to and allowed to buy Coinbase early, then you're going to get paid. And this is one of those cases where when they talk about the game being rigged, this is one of those cases where the game's a little bit rigged because most of you who are investors in the stock market probably couldn't get in on the early stages of Coinbase. I mean, there are people who bought shares of Coinbase for $1. Did you know that? $1, $5 a share, right? So imagine if you could buy stuff for $1 or $5 a share, and it goes up to $381 a share. You make a killing. Even a $10,000 investment would make you a millionaire, damn near. So the point that I guess I throw into this is think carefully about who your friends are and try to get into spaces where you're part of investment clubs or groups of other business owners or groups of other investors, because what investors do is they form cliques. Everybody's gang affiliated, and I want you to ask yourself, what is my economic gang? If your economic gang is filled with a bunch of broke people who don't want to learn anything about investing, who don't care about financial literacy, then all they can really do is teach you how to be broke. But if your economic gang consists of people that are skilled investors that are seeking good opportunities, that know how to run businesses, then those people will guide you to good deals, right? So the Coinbase deal, sure. I mean, can you get in on the Coinbase IPO? It's hard to do. Most people can't do that, but you can get in on maybe that really good real estate deal that your homeboys were talking about, the other day. You might be able to get in on, the deal to help your friend finance her bakery so she can actually, do a quick flip and turn, $50,000 investment into $100,000 a year, right? So there are lots of good opportunities out there, and I encourage you to figure out who you roll with. Nas, the rapper, he's one of the initial investors in Coinbase. Good for him. But again, I'm not into celebrity worship, so I don't get obsessed with what people like Nas are doing, because I don't think celebrities are any more important than you. But Nas is making money off this because Nas chose a certain set of friends. He could have hung out with dope dealers and thugs and guys in the hood or whatever. And that's cool. There ain't no wrong with the guys in the hood. Not looking down on anybody. But Nas made some friends in Silicon Valley who helped him to see a different way to monetize his brand. Right? Nas could have made his money doing shows. He could have been out, hustling and doing concerts every week and popping, 50 grand per concert, 100 grand a concert. Instead, Nas did a quick flip. That probably is going to make him, I'm sure, maybe 20, 30, 50, $100 million. So good for Nas. And I would encourage you, if you're going to learn anything from a rapper, don't just learn how to rap, learn how to flip. Man, some of these rappers are figuring it out. They're getting the message. And we've been talking about this for years. And thank God some of the rappers were listening, because now you're starting to see rappers doing what I've been saying that Black people need to do for many, many years. So I would say this. If you want my opinion about Coinbase, I personally would not buy above 400. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just saying this is what I'm not going to buy if it's over 400. Not because I think it's impossible for it to be worth 400. It's just that there are so many other investments that are out there that are not getting all the attention right now that could eventually gain attention, that cost so much less. There's so many other areas where money's being made. So I think that, Coinbase is just the hot, pretty stock right now. Everybody's talking about it, but there are plenty of other stocks out there. And I encourage you not to just follow the trends. Kind of, do your own research and find the good stuff that nobody knows about. All right, I got to go. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope that this helps you. And I see my man, Jabril. Thank you for your donation, by the way. Jabril says Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Yes, I'm a big fan of Bitcoin, and I've been a Bitcoin investor for years, and it's paid off. And I've also invested heavily in Ethereum, Sia coin, and a few other things. And all these coins right now are just killing it. I cannot wait for them to take the shackles off XRP, because when XRP is free from prison, XRP is going to murder the game. It is going to absolutely mutilate the game, and that XRP investment is going to flip like crazy once they take the smoke off their back. All right. So anyway, that's my 2 cents. By the way, the Black Stock Market Program, the URL is right there. We have class every Tuesday. That's where we cover, I answer all your questions, and we cover financial theory and everything else. So if you are interested in joining the Black Stock Market Program and sending me your questions directly, feel free to go take a look. You can do the first month for free. It's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. I'll be on my Twitch channel later on today, gaming with my homeboys, and maybe I'll answer some stock market questions there as well. But also when I'm playing, I'm not that good at Call of Duty yet, so I got to focus on killing zombies and stuff. So I'll try my best to talk to you. But either way, though, I'll be there if you want to come hang out. The Twitch URL, I'll put that on the screen. It's right here. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Have a good day, and I will see you soon. Take care. Peace.